Hello YouTube, JT Cash coming to you on this beautiful Saturday. It's just gorgeous outside. I'm sitting in my lawn chair. It's a Harbor Freight chair. Anyway, Dr. Jane, she is on the move today. Let's see if I can show it. She's on her second vehicle to wash and wax. She's on the other side of the car. She's already done my truck. There's a neighbor honking at me. It's just a gorgeous day out. A little bit of chemtrail spraying. Not bad though. What'd you say, Dr. Jane? That's all right. I told him that. Yeah, I told him that you're already. Well, we went through the car wash early this morning, so.
Yeah. I like to hand wax twice a year.
Yeah. So this is the first time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, we're
A month early. Usually do it in June.
no, in May.
Yeah.
When I'm on vacation.
Just wonder how everybody's holding up under this coronavirus lockdowns. Indiana is where we live. I went to stage 2. I guess they're opening up churches for under special conditions. A limit of, I don't know how many people, but they have to be 6 feet apart and that sort of thing. So the restaurants are still be closed for indoor dining. A lot of that is due to they don't have any workers, because with the unemployment that they're going to pay them, they're going to make more sitting at home than they will working at their jobs. So for every solution to a problem, there's also a chain reaction that creates other problems. How much longer do you think you're going to be on this?
Well, I got it.
Well, I'm just wondering what's for lunch.
Did you just have breakfast?
I know, but this big boy's got to eat.
There's meatloaf left over from yesterday.
Oh, that works for me. What are you going to do, nuke it?
And a burrito.
And burrito. And cold root beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's one in there. I got a coffee after.
Do the top, huh? I need to be out here shooting baskets like a good Hoosier. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to check in. And, hopefully, I have an oncologist appointment when May the what?
Well,
May the 12th. Hopefully they'll allow me to keep that appointment this time, because kind of need to do another PET scan to see where I stand, whether I'm still in remission or whether it's spread. So we'll find that out. What caused that to open? You got your key in your pocket?
yeah.
You probably, the motion underneath probably opened it.
Work with that will.
Yeah. We're gonna try and mow grass today, or she mowed last week. Well, what day was it you mowed? The day I took the trip with Connor and got home. The tractor was sitting out in the yard. She said, "I don't know what's wrong with it." What was wrong with it, Dr. James? Come on.
Ran out of gas. He didn't tell me to check the gas. He says, I checked the oil. And like an idiot, I just took off.
And when it ran out of gas, you got off and left it.
I did. I didn't put it away the last time either.
No, I can take partial credit for her running out. It was,
You gassed it up before you put it up.
I know, but I didn't do it, so.
And I just totally spaced it.
Too nice to be indoors doing any card making, isn't it?
Not on a day like today.
Yeah. So,
Rainy day stuff.
rainy day stuff, yeah.
Cold day stuff. I gotta move this.
Where are you moving it to?
Oh, we're still at that little reach.
Okay. All right, well, I'll shut this down.
You don't have to shut down this stuff.
All right. I tell you, Lord, that woman, she's not happy unless she's working. And on my best day, she could work me under the table. She just, some's got it and some don't. She's got it. Well, that's about all I had to say today, is just letting you know we're still kicking, and catch up with what Dr. Jane was up to. I hate to think what it's going to be like around our house once she retires, but she's still got a couple of years to go yet. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to sign off here. JT Cash. Over and out.